Everyone, this is your Mom Shiel and welcome back to my channel. So what's for today? It's pastry time! So today we are going to make a very simple recipe of mine. Oh, I'm sorry, that's my friend shared to me. Excuse me. So a friend of mine shared me her recipe of apple galette. So today we're going to make an apple galette, but before we made that, we are going to make a dough for our pastry. Okay, so here's my bowl, and I have here 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, right? Then I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, it's so easy and simple, but you know. And then we are going to make a 1/2 cup of butter. So this 1 stick of butter is consists of 1/2 cup of butter, and then of course 3 tablespoons of icy water. So it is very important that the water that we're going to use is very cold. You know, it should be icy so that our dough is gonna be beautiful. All right, so let's go and add the 1/2 cup of butter in our flour. Don't melt it, okay? We're not going to melt it. So it should be soft butter, what I mean. I use a soft butter. I did not melt it. So, and then we cut it up inside. Look, it's gonna be like this. Okay. And then, so we need to add 3 tablespoons of cold water. All right. So by this time, we need to use our fingertips to make a dough, or to make our dough come out very good. All right. So I wash my hand already. So, and I'm going to use my hand to make the dough. So we use only our fingertips to mix our dough, and as I have told you earlier, so we cannot over mix the dough, or else our dough is not coming out good. So then our dough is ready. All right, so put some flour, extra flour on the table, and then put it in here. Okay, right, so form as a circle in here. All right, and then this dough is we're gonna put some flour in here like this. Okay, and we need our plastic wrap. Magic. So we need a plastic wrap, and this dough is gonna go to the fridge for 30 minutes. All right, so So this is our pastry dough. And this mini print on my hand is going to the fridge. And we need to wait for about 30 minutes before we back here to roll it to make our pastry for our apple galette. So while waiting for our pastry dough in the fridge, so I have here an apple. So this composed of 2 medium apple that I slice thinly, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Then I go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And excuse me, the sugar, I put some dust of flavored of cinnamon so that our apple galette gonna be tasty. And then I'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. So let's mix it up now. And this gonna be our filling to our dough pastry later. So some other people are directly putting it to the pastry, but I think I need to make a different. So I need to like toast my apple to the pan like a couple of minutes. Not gonna be like an applesauce, you know. So it's like just to toast a little, maybe like just 3 minutes on the pan before I put to my pastry, so that the sugar become melted and all the ingredients become good. All right. In a medium-high heat, let's put our apple inside. Okay. Just to toast. Medium only. Just to toast my apple in here. With brown sugar, lemon juice, and vanilla essence. All right. So in 1, 2, 3, this is done, and it is ready to pop to our dough pastry. We need to add some lemon zest in here so that our apple galette is gonna be more yummy. All right, toast a little bit. 3 minutes is done, and we are done making our fillings to our dough pastry. All right, after 30 minutes that we put in the fridge, our dough is ready. So ready to roll it in the pin, and then we put or add all our stuff in here. So as I forgot to mention why we have an egg here. So that egg is going to brazen up our dough when we are finished preparing our apple galette. And go. Let's start. Let's start to roll our dough in here. All right. And I have my pan in here to put our pastry to be used. Okay. And then slowly and gently, let's put some flour in our rolling pin. So have to roll a little bit in here. Once our dough is finished, So simply we're going to roll it up in here to our rolling pin. Okay, gently roll it. Okay, so roll it and then roll it like this, and we move it to our pan in here gently. Okay, so it's like this. All right, and we do it like that. So we made a big dough in here, but it's okay. It's not bad because we're going to use that later. Okay, so once our dough is formed to our baking dish, I'll go ahead and get our apple, the one that we toast earlier. So here you go. See? Look, try to look at our sliced apple that we toast in the pan. It's like more caramelized. All right, so put it in the middle like here. Okay, put it in here. In here. Okay. In here. All right. And now we are going to start folding our pastry like that. Okay, so I'll place it like that. Now I'll place it like that. Maybe like that. All right, so now that the apple galette is ready, so I have here my egg. So we're going to brush it up on the side, right? Gently brush on the side of the dough. All right. Then we're going to add some or sugar on the side. Okay. Ooh la la. Looks beautiful. See? It's not bad the first time we made this pastry. We are done making our apple galette. So this is ready to puff in the oven for 425 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Let's go and pop it to the oven. After 25 minutes, let's go and check our apple galette. Oh, here you go. Here's our apple. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. Yay. And here you go. We are done making our apple galette. Look at that. I know it's not really perfect when I pulled my dough, but It's not, I told you guys, it's not about like the forming or cutting. It is about the taste. I'll go ahead and try or taste my apple galette. Look at that. La la. Oh, it's so crunchy. Look at my apple galette. You know, it's so thin. We made our dough perfectly, guys. You have to follow the one that how I made the dough. Oh my dear, it's so good and it's perfect. Look at that. Look, I'm so happy that I made one pastry again, one successful. I would say one successful. The pastry dough that we made for today is perfect, guys. Perfect. And the taste of the apple that we toast in the pan. It's good that we made to toast first, so that is like, you know, the sweetness. The sweetness is really come out and it's perfect. Perfect. I love it. I'm sorry. I love this. You know, we could put some sugar, confectioner sugar in here, or you could glaze some caramel sauce. So yeah, so this is like a kind of sweet for me. So for me, this is enough. But if you like to add a confectioner sugar on top, or you have a caramel sauce at home, it's nice and it's good. All right. So I am so happy that I made one pastry that is, I would say, successful. I hope you like this video, and if you do, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit the notification bell so you guys informed whenever I upload videos. As always, this is your Mom Shiel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.